Some of you may feel that I had a very good conversation with this prospective customer, but why I didn't get the project? You may feel that I answered all his questions, but still he didn't give me the project. We are going to answer that question in this video. So my name is Subramanian. I'm an author of 3 sales books and a sales trainer, and in this video we are going to discuss about the topic talk less in a sales conversation. I'm going to give you 3 reasons why you should talk less in a sales conversation. If you like the video, please share it with your friends, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the notification button. Reason number 1. In a sales conversation, you should talk less because you have to understand what the customer wants. I see many salespeople, especially in your first conversation, as soon as they go in and meet a customer and say good morning, they quickly talk about, we are in the business for last 10 years, there are 500 plus customers we serve, this is the product, this is the feature, and they keep on talking about their company, their product, and with themselves. But the person sitting on the other side, he or she is not giving the time to know about you. The only thing that is running in their mind is, hey, this guy, can he solve my problem? What is the value I can get from him? This is the only question running in their mind. And we are not answering that question, we're talking about ourselves. So the good salespeople, what they do is, they make the other person talk more so that they can understand what the customers really want to have. What is the real problem is. Only when they know the problem, then based on the problem, you can position your product or service and give it to customer that you will solve that problem. So the point number 1, why you should talk less is, you have to understand customer's problem. If you have to understand customer's problem, the customer should talk more about that problem. So that's why you should talk less. Point number 2, you have to talk less in order to build the rapport. You will be surprised. If you don't talk much, how will you build the rapport? Imagine, friends, you are having a conversation with your friend or with your relative for 1 hour, for 60 minutes. Out of that 60 minutes, imagine he is talking 55 minutes to you and you are talking only 5 minutes. At the end of the conversation, how will you feel? If you are just listening for 55 minutes to somebody, do you feel it's a good conversation? He will feel it's a good conversation. I spoke, we had a great conversation. But you will feel bored, you will feel irritated, right? Just to listening to somebody for 55 minutes, right? The same feeling your customer will get if you keep on talking about you, your company, and your product, right? Then he will not have a good feeling about you. If he's not having a good feeling about you, how will you build a rapport? So if you want to build a good rapport, always make the other person talk more. That is reason number 2, why you should talk less. The reason number 3 is, you have to evaluate whether you want this customer or not. If you are talking for 55 minutes and customer is talking for 5 minutes, what will you know about the customer? How will you know this customer is going to be a long-term customer for you or is looking for a short-term project? Whether he is a trustworthy, what is his vision? You will not have any data about the customer, but the customer have got lot of data about you so that he or she can choose you whether you are a good vendor partner or not. So if you want to be in a position to choose your customer, you should know more about the customer. To know more about the customer, you should make the customer talk more and you should talk less. To summarize, my friends, the 3 reasons why you should talk less is to understand what customer want, to understand their pains, to build a rapport, and to be in a position to choose whether you want this customer or not. So generally, typically in a sales conversation, experts recommend salesperson should talk 25 to 30% of the time and the customer should talk 70 to 75% of the time. So how to make the customer to talk like that? Generally, customers ask a lot of questions to you, right? How to make the customers to talk like that? And how to start the conversation? All these things we will discuss in some other video. Okay. You can also join my annual sales excellence program to go deep about how to have a customer conversation. Okay, so if you like the video, please share it with your friends, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and soon I will meet you in another video. Thank you for watching.